How to get Google search link. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to get Google search link. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here you first need to make sure that your name ranks first when you search for Google. There's actually no method in order to determine that your name ranked first because Google determines it themselves, but you can just learn the analytics of Google in order to try to be the first rank. So if your name is unique, you can be the first thing on the search result. But if your name is not that unique, then there's no way or there's a tiny chance that your name is the first result. So make sure that your name is unique and it is recognizable in order to rank first on Google. Now, if you search for your website name, it should head over and give you this website. That is because this website has a utilized rank first name. So let's try to search for Google Search Console. So let's try to search for it, and here you can see the Google Search Console tools. Now if you click on that, it will direct you to this site wherein you can just click on Start Now, and then from in there you can just type in the name of your website and continue, and it will show you the rank just like this on the URL inspection, total clicks, impressions, and all of that analytics that you have on your site. Then the next thing that I can give you is a structured data for a website. So structured data is a standardized format for providing information about the page and classifying the page contents. So just make sure that the structured data on your website is enticing enough. So in this thing, you can apply the SEO tools or the search engine optimized tools and words that will give you the first rank on the Google. Next thing I can give you is the menu certificate on websites. So as you can see, certificates on website is a padlock icon. So if you can see right here, this is the padlock icon. That means that if it's this locked, then this is a valid. But if you can see it's unlocked, then it will give you that this is an insecure data or insecure website. That just means that it is not secure for visitors to use. And if your website is not secure, then Google will not likely put you on the first rank. Next thing I can give you is the XML site. So in here, as you can see, XML sitemap is a file that lists the website's essential pages, making sure Google can find and crawl them all. So as you can see right here, this is sitemap, and all of the under that sitemap. So make sure that you have organized your sitemap in order to get the first rank on Google. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get Google search link. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.